FortiVoice Cloud offers multiple ways for users to communicate with one another from around the world through FortiFone products, offering an all-inclusive communication suite to get more done and to get it done efficiently. Phone conferencing, chat, fax. You'll spend less time trying to connect and more time actually connecting. In this video, we'll guide you through the quick and easy process of configuring your devices to work with FortiVoice Cloud. Be sure to check the timestamps for your specific device so we can save you even more time. We'll be covering the FortiFone X80 series desk phone, the mobile Softclient, and the desktop Softclient. Alright, so before we get into the precise steps, be sure your extension has been set by your FortiVoice administrator. You will receive an email with the necessary information to register a FortiFone with FortiVoice Cloud. Hold on to that information because you'll need it for each step. So let's start with configuring your FortiFone X80 series phone. We'll be using a FON 480 desk phone as our example. First, press the menu soft key and go to Cloud. Using your registration email, go to the desk phone section. You will need to enter the Cloud ID, User ID, and Cloud PIN. Once you've filled out those fields, press the Submit soft key. You will see the status of the configuration and registration process. Once completed, press the OK soft key. Once you are brought to the main screen, you're ready to go. Now let's take a look at how to sign in with the FortiFone mobile Softclient. Start by downloading the FortiFone mobile Softclient to your Android or iPhone. When you first open the FortiFone mobile Softclient, select Scan QR Code. Point your mobile phone camera at the QR code in the welcome email for automatic configuration. If this is not the first time you've used the FortiFone mobile Softclient, or you skip the setup, you can add a new account by tapping the menu icon. Then select Account, select the menu icon in the upper right hand corner, and then select Scan QR Code. Point your mobile camera at the QR code in the welcome email. With your account now created, go ahead and select Done, and you're now ready to go. Now let's go through the steps to configure the FortiFone desktop Softclient for Windows and Mac. Start by downloading and installing the FortiFone desktop Softclient to your computer. If you don't already have it installed, use the link provided in the welcome email. The first time the FortiFone desktop Softclient is opened, you will be prompted to enter your login information. Use the information within the welcome email, and then select Login. The FortiFone desktop Softclient establishes a connection to FortiVoice Cloud, and once connected, displays the user interface. Your desktop Softclient is now ready to use. And that's it! You can now enjoy the benefits of using FortiVoice Cloud with your device. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.